What's up guys, it's 1+1 here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take snapshots. Snapshots is like a smaller version of screenshots, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. So simply do Windows Shift then S, and then this kind of menu will pop up. And then you can select which parts you want to take a screenshot of. Windows Shift S is just for snapshots. It won't shut down your computer, I promise. You can test it out in your free time if you don't trust me yet. And yeah, so I'll show you these what this can do. So first we have the rectangular snip. So this will basically snip like this. I'll do it like this, and then something like this will come up. Snip saved and clipboard. So now you can make this a screenshot by going to Paint and then paste it out, blah blah blah, whatever you want to do, or you can basically put it in a document, or even or you can paste it to any kind of chat like Discord, or maybe Google Hangouts. Just do Control V, or you can right click then paste. And yeah, so that's one menu. So now let's go to our desktop again, and then if we do Windows Shift S once again, we have this freeform tool, and then we can just do something like this, and then there. So we got that snapshot. So pretty cool. We can paste it again, Control V, and a thing like this will come up. Or you can do it in Paint easily. And yeah, let's go to our desktop again, and then Windows Shift S, and then we got Windows Snip, full screen snip. Full screen snip is basically a screenshot. You can do it by print screening or FN print screening, just easily. And I think you all know that already, but Windows Snip will just simply capture a window like this or desktop. So you can capture like a window or a toolbar. So we can now paste that out. Paste. And yeah, well, hope you know how to take snapshots or screenshots already. Hope I helped you, and yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.